Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build wealth with investment properties with Marcus and Millichap step by step clearly. Begin by understanding the basics of investment properties. Research different types of investment properties, such as residential, commercial, and industrial. Identify your financial goals and how real estate fits into them. Assess your current financial situation to determine how much you can invest. Create a budget that includes purchase price, maintenance, and management costs. Start exploring different markets to find areas with strong growth potential. Analyze the economic indicators of each market, including job growth and population trends. Network with local real estate agents and industry professionals for insights and advice. Attend real estate investing seminars and workshops to expand your knowledge. Develop a team of professionals, including a real estate agent, attorney, and accountant. Begin searching for properties that meet your investment criteria. Evaluate each property's potential return on investment, or ROI. Consider factors such as location, property condition, and rental income potential. Conduct thorough due diligence before making any offers on properties. Get pre-approved for financing to understand your purchasing power. Make offers on properties that align with your investment strategy. Once an offer is accepted, conduct a comprehensive inspection to identify any issues. Negotiate repairs or credits based on the inspection findings. Finalize the financing to secure the property. Close on the property and take ownership. Implement property management strategies to maintain and enhance its value. Monitor the property's performance regularly and adjust your strategy as needed. Consider refinancing options to access equity for future investments. Scale your portfolio strategically by reinvesting profits and exploring new markets. Stay informed about market trends and economic changes that could impact your investments. Continuously educate yourself through books, courses, and networking opportunities. Set long-term goals for your investment journey and reassess them periodically. Celebrate your successes and learn from your experiences along the way. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.